you RC, you definitely do maintenance, probably using Allen keys like these, or these, metric or imperial, possibly even both if you've got two different cars. So, maintenance. You're probably going to be using your Allen keys, and they're so fiddly, not easy in the hand, got to twiddle them around, awkward places can be really difficult. So, get yourself one of these tools off eBay, AliExpress or Amazon. Then, get yourself a pack of these 4 bits, they're 10 cm long, really versatile, come in 4 really popular sizes for RC. Along with the long bits, I got myself a pack of 8 short bits. Again, they come in popular RC sizes. So to use, take the bit you need and the screwdriver handle, pull the collar forward and slide the bit in. Locks in nice and secure, simple, really easy in your hand, just use it like any screwdriver. Handle takes any 6.3mm bit, so go to the garage, I bet you've got loads. You've probably got nut drivers, drill bits, Phillips head, Torx bits, flat end, they all fit. No matter what you need, they go in this screwdriver handle. It's perfect for RC. You don't have to spend a fortune on RC specific tools. I think I spent about £13 all in. Check the links below.